Hey everyone! Today we are diving into a crucial theme for affiliate marketers and anyone building an online presence, and that is SEO or Search Engine Optimization. What exactly is SEO? SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization, which is the process of improving our website or content to rank higher in search engines results like Google, Bing, and others. The goal? To drive more organic traffic to your site, meaning visitors who find you naturally without paid ads. Why is SEO important? For affiliate marketers, SEO is a game changer. The higher your content ranks for specific keywords, the more likely people are to click on it, discover your affiliate links, and potentially make purchases. It's like planting seeds for long-term, sustainable traffic that can lead to consistent earnings. How does SEO work? Search engines like Google, Bing, Yahoo, and others look at several factors when ranking websites, including keywords, the terms people search for. Including relevant keywords in your content helps search engines understand what your page is about. Content quality. Useful, well-written, and engaging content ranks higher. Backlinks. Links from other trusted websites to your content signal credibility. User experience. Fast loading pages, mobile-friendly design, and easy navigation all play a role. Quick tip. Start with a keyword research to find terms your audience is searching for. Then, create content that answers their questions or solves their problems. Focus on providing value. Search engines reward websites that help users. So that's a quick intro to SEO in affiliate marketing. It's an essential tool for driving organic traffic and boosting your affiliate sales. Want to learn more? Check out my other videos for tips on optimizing your content and growing online business. See you in the next video.